Google how to start it.
No, I mean, he told me it's on video.
Clutch in, pull that thing down, it's gonna get really loud. Was your foot not on the clutch?
Everything's fine.
Goodbye.
Bye. So we're getting it scanned. HRE is coming by to scan the wheels and the brakes and the fenders to make sure they can make the wheels properly. Logan and his team over at Hyper Society were swapping the brakes. Right now it's on street brakes, but before it was on race brakes. So if we were to measure the wheels on the race calipers and rotors, it'd be a different specification compared to these. So we have to make sure that these are on properly, and then HRE does the scanning so we can make the proper wheels for this setup. It's definitely the craziest car I've ever seen in person. It looks like an RC car. It's a freaking fighter jet. So the seats are actually fixed. There's no adjustment. You actually adjust the pedals, kind of like the Ford GTs. It's fixed position. It's a sequential gearbox. There's a clutch to start, and then after you're out of first gear, you just use the paddles to shift. I've never driven this thing, never started it, so hopefully we can figure it out. Fortunately, Logan's driven it a few times, so he can give me a hand, but I'm excited to see how this thing works.
Do you know where power is on this?
I don't know where anything is.
Power's over here.
Where is it?
It's outside the window.
Okay.
It's opposite of how you normally would do it. You flip it up.
Okay.
So power will come on. This should all power up in a second. So the lights will come on, you'll see the little dragging pop up. You'll have to film that sometime. It's cool.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty dope.
Purple dragon.
That's
Each
sick.
of them are all different.
There's only 10 of these ever made. This is the first one, but then they got kind of redone.
Rebuilt,
and so it's technically the last one.
We'll pop off the hinges, pull it 3 times, like 3 latches, the door will blow off.
What?
It's an emergency like release.
Okay.
But yeah.
All right, so HRE just finished scanning the outer part of the rim and tire. Now we have to get the wheels off, so we gotta jack the car up. Unfortunately, can't jack this up like a regular car with regular jacks. We have to use some air jacks, which are built into the car, but it requires an air tank like over here. So we're gonna crack open the center lock, air jack it up, take the wheels off, scan the rest of the car, and then put it back. Over here.
Okay.
I don't really know how this works.
Okay, I think we're good.
Hold on. Go. Yeah, so this stuff smells like something I can't really say on camera, but they spray it around the car so the scanner can pick up what it needs to pick up, because the carbon fiber kind of doesn't let it read what it needs to read accurately. It's not permanent or anything, obviously. It comes right off over time. You don't even have to really wipe it, it just kind of disappears. Yeah. Yeah, now we're at the final stage of measuring the area for the new wheels that are going to be made. The engineering team is just wrapping it up. Seems like it's the last part of the process.